welcome back passengers, it's your driver here, Rich. Today we're on our way to London and I'm with my fiancée Lucy.
I have to say hello now.
Yes.
Hello now.
You have to say hello now.
Hello now.
There we go.
Ooh, does that mean if you copyrighted for playing a song, does that mean I can't sing songs either? Does that count?
I don't think we'd recognise your singing, to be fair.
That's great.
No, it's good. So we're on the A280, we're just following the map up to London. Just going to go there for the weekend. Not been for a while, it's going to be good. We're going to see what happens on the roads. I'm not necessarily going to actually record a full-on video because I haven't researched it. My next one was going to be on speed, you know, going fast.
As in you're going to go fast?
No, as in top 5... I can't think. Top 5 killers on the road.
I guarantee you, when we get on the M25, they'll just be speeding all the way.
And not just from me.
Yeah. Oh, you should do one on middle lane hoggers. That drives me mad. You know when they're really slow in the middle lane?
Yeah.
And then you've got to go from left-hand lane across 2 lanes to overtake them.
Yeah. No, that's awful. And then you have like the lorries undertaking just because you're going so slow.
But that's straight because technically you're in the right. If you're in the left-hand lane, you're in the right, aren't you? As
no,
in...
if you're in the left-hand lane.
Oh, sorry. As in, you're doing the right thing, and the person in the middle is doing the wrong thing. So I don't understand why you can't stick to your lane and just undertake them.
I think it's because the idea is you always have to default to the lowest value. And if you're on a motorway, you've got, well, you used to have a hard shoulder, but they're all smart motorways now. So you've got lane 1, 2 and lane 3. You should always default into lane 1 unless you're overtaking. And lane 3 is also for overtaking, but emergency services as well. They'll only ever really use the 3rd lane.
But they're inconveniencing me by the fact I've got to switch across 2 lanes and then back again.
Yeah,
just
I know.
to get past them.
I get it.
Oh.
Road ahead closed. Road ahead closed. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's closed for us.
Whoop.
Unless it does.
Sometimes they do it for like the side roads, don't they?
Well, this road isn't closed yet. Maybe they put the sign out by mistake.
Oh, to let. Should we hire a field? Rent a field? I don't think you could have me in videos on a regular basis because I'd just be like, oh, cows, horses.
I don't know, there's some sort of charm about that, isn't there?
Oh, look at that building. This is it.
Barn wedding venue.
Long Furlough Bar. But it is literally just a barn. I like this bit. You should research what that weird thing is.
It's almost like a castle, a very small one. It's probably like a post office or something.
Oh, would they have had post offices when that was built? It's quite old.
Yeah. This is actually one of the more dangerous roads in our patch. It's long furlong. It's actually quite well known for the number of accidents that have been on it.
I'm sure there was one last week.
Was there?
Yeah, or the week before. Can I just say I've been calling it Long Furlough? Is it not? Is it called Long Furlong?
Long furlong.
Is it?
I was driving along here and the ESP kicked in at some point just around here, so it's definitely like I say in all my videos though, you know, the instructions are clearly laid out. If you can't see the road, don't accelerate, and you've also got slow in the road. You've got the solid white line on the offside, and you've got the chevrons as well. Also, the car in front's braking, so almost use them as your eyes to see, get some sort of idea of what's going on. You can't see around the corner, but they can. If they're braking, it might either be a comfort brake, in which case they're just braking for the hell of it, or there is actually something to brake for. Here's a fun fact.
Okay. My
granddad used to...
Sorry, I was thinking you're starting a joke when you said my granddad. Go on then.
No, if I was starting a joke about my granddad, it'd be my granddad. My family have found out is actually addicted to Viagra. We're all right about it, but Grandma's taking it pretty hard.
I like that one.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
I've got more granddad jokes.
And this is why every time you say my granddad, I think it's.
There was this one time with my granddad. No, he was friends with Cliff Richard when he was younger, like a child.
Oh, really?
Harry Webb. Yeah. So basically, his mum, my granny, knew his mum, and she'd obviously go around each other's houses for cups of tea or whatever, and then my granddad would go along, and yeah, he knew Cliff Richard.
It's a hearse and an ambulance.
It's too late. Yeah. The damage is done.
Don't follow him now.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
I actually forgot I needed water. How do we get out of here?
Oh, there's one of those throw bins there. These things by my gypsies are annoying. Look, he's got little people on the bowl.
Where's the bin?
Oh, there was one over there. They've got the ones, with the targets on the back where you can throw it out of the car. Oh, there's one. There's one. But these have got no weight to them, though.
Of course, they're going to blow off in the wind.
I can't reach. It's gone right down. Oh, that's not close enough.
Go on, try it. You just thrown it into the field. Try again, one more time. Welcome back, passengers. Through the power of video editing, we are now in London.
Whoop, whoop.
Still got 13 minutes left to go, though.
To be fair, this is the best bit of the view when you come out of all the little tunnely bits.
Yeah.
And you get all of Canary Wharf.
I know. And Canary Wharf is where we're going to be staying.
We might actually be able to pick out our hotel because it's triangular.
A triangular hotel?
Yes.
What's it called? Novotel.
Novotel, Canary Wharf.
For those that haven't been to Novotel before, it's basically like a large... it's like a small skyscraper, isn't it, really? But it's really good. We were on quite a high up floor before, and you do get amazing views across the whole of the city with the River Thames and the London Eye. I think the walkie-talkie tower as well with the Sky Garden's a good one.
We could see everything though, so we've actually paid, I think, to go up a bit higher this time.
An executive suite. Do we get slippers?
We get slippers and a dressing gown.
Slippers and a dressing gown. Do we get to keep them?
I bloody well hope so, because we
Really?
paid extra. I don't want to be using someone's second-hand dressing gown.
Or slippers.
Yeah.
Especially with your toes.
Actually, I feel worse about using someone else's dressing gown than slippers.
Yeah.
This is the smushiest tunnel in the world as well. Well, I don't know.
Smushiest?
Well, I don't know in the world. There's probably smushier tunnels, but it's very cosy.
Oh, I see. You mean like...
You're
tightly
smushed
packed.
in. Yeah.
Oh my god, this motorbike.
Oh, God.
Wow. Welcome to London. That literally nearly took our wing mirrors off. I actually can't believe that. And we've got it on camera as well.
Yeah.
Like I said, recording the road as you're driving along is a bit like fishing. nothing could happen all day. You might catch something small, or you might catch something really big like that. Actually, do you know what? I nearly drove into the wall trying to stop that guy from hitting our wing mirror.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
The car was like vibrating where he was revving so close.
And what some people probably don't fully appreciate is that the motorcyclists are actually the most vulnerable road users because they're fully exposed. And also, people don't really see them. It's like they look, they're in their field of view, but they don't actually register them a lot of the times. Well, thank you very much for joining us. I'm going to leave you in this tunnel now to enjoy the view. So thank you very much for coming along on the journey with me. It's been great having you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you fancy it, leave a comment. I only have 5 subscribers at the moment, which is one more from the last video I made, which is absolutely awesome. I'm slowly getting there. So thank you very much. And thank you for riding with me.